So today we are gonna change the oil pan on a Ford Focus 1800s diesel engine, turbo diesel engine, brand new oil pan, cool piece. It's this car right here, KKDA engine code, build year is 2004, 2005 for this one. It started. I drained the oil already. Maybe I'll turn the music a bit down. Let's put in the drain bolt again. So as you can see, it's a bit roughed up. Customer drove on something that fell off a truck. We're lucky to have no engine damage because the bearings of the pistons are moving right in this area, something right over there. So let's take a little rag, up, oil pan, remove yourself. Yep. Just tighten it down so we get no oil on our face. Just a bit, no drippage. Nice. So we need 8mm, 10mm sockets, and I think there are 19 bolts in total. So let's get started. This bad boy, ooh, do not fall. Gonna drain it over here. Always dispose of your oil in the proper way. Back to the container park, where they recycle 100%, I heard. I'm doing this just not to step to step on it. I never did, but I know someone who did. It was a bad day. So we're gonna seal it up with this bad boy, Loctite SI5980. Seals up in 25 minutes. Pretty cool. If you lock it down good, it stays fresh for like 2 years. I have it now, I think. This can. Yeah, pretty good stuff. Gonna clean the bolts. This bad boy. With the wire brush. Yep, everything's set. So we need no, I think this one will do, and the 8mm, the long one. Yep. Gonna take this one also, just in case, and the 10mm one right here. And we're gonna feel for the bolts. You have to torque them down to stage 1 6.5 Nm and stage 2 14 Nm. I don't have my tool right here, so I'm gonna do it on feeling. It will be fine. Oh, I've done it like a couple of times, so it's okay, it's okay. So you just feel for it, and That was about 14, yeah. Look. Just when you make contact, just that's enough. That should be enough. If you do these things all the time, you get the feel for it. So we're gonna take them off with the Milwaukee. All the 8s and then the last ones are 10mm. I'm gonna clean the bolts and instead of me talking, let's do it. Yeah, well, they're pretty clean. Nice. Let's put them in the car. It's pretty cold here, so the voltage is dropping. You can hear the tool struggling. All the same size. I'm paying attention to it. Don't worry. This is an easy oil pan. Not too expensive, so if you have a rust issue or something, look over here. I fixed it a bit back in the day, but we cannot continue with a large dent like that. If there's an extra dent on top of that one, this will break, and then we will lose the oil and the engine will be toast. So I don't like this car too much to toast it. Yep, pretty good. And they're all pretty clean. Still gonna clean them a bit up to get the possible junk off there. All the same size still. Yep. Yep. And the last ones are 10mm. Gonna check how stuck they are in there. And we're gonna, oh look,